Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have my hat on. It says bad hair day because that's what we're having. I need to redo my braids. So yeah. But anyway, in today's video, it's gonna be a pretty chill day. Today's Saturday. I usually reset for the week on a Saturday. Sunday is one of my busiest days, so I don't do it on a Sunday. It's more likely a Monday or Saturday for me, but today is a Saturday, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to like reset my week, like what I do to start my week, because as I said, Sunday is a busy day for me. So tomorrow I'm gonna be extremely busy. So I'm gonna clean my space, I'm gonna do my laundry, clean the kitchen as well as my bathroom. So I already did like my morning routine, and I did my journaling already, and this is right here is just like a to-do list that I want to incorporate into this video. So that's what I was doing just now, and I wanted to talk to you guys while I was in my bedroom, because once I go in my living room, my couch is not here yet. It's coming this Thursday. If you know about buying furniture like at this time, then you know what I've been through, hell and high water to get this couch. But it's finally coming this week, but until then, out there it's still echoing, so I'll be doing all the talking right now. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go. Firstly, before I start doing anything, I have to put some music on. And I did start off this day by listening to Adele's new album. But to be honest, it wasn't really getting me in the mood. So later down in the video, I did switch on my Afrobeat and I got jiggy with it. Like, comment down below and let me know if I'm the only one that have to have music on whenever I'm cleaning. I would really like to know. Because for me to start even moving a pin, babes, I have to let that music take control of my body. I change my bed sheets every 2 weeks. I remove everything, even if I don't sleep on them. Like, for instance, I do not sleep on those 4 pillow with the white cases, but I still wash them. So every 2 weeks, I remove my sheets and I wash them. I want to be as vulnerable as possible. It was at this moment that I realized I forget to buy fabric softener, as well as I forget to buy a new bottle of Lysol, the Lysol that I normally use to clean like the counters. But I never want to like stop because I already started the video, so I just went with what I had. I usually buy the big bottle of the yellow Suavitel, but the store was out. That's why I got this little bottle of blue one. If you have a glass cooktop, I definitely recommend this polish. I got it from Amazon, and I like to do this like first before I start do anything, because to remove it, it have to be dry. So I put it on first, and then by the end of my cleaning session, that's when I remove it. So cleaning the stove, technically, I'll leave that for last. My apartment completes valet trash from Sunday through Thursday, and today is Saturday, so I can't put out the trash tonight, but I'm just prepping it and tying it and putting them away to the side, so it will be easy for me to just put them out tomorrow night. Oh boy, was I sleeping on this dishwasher. I never started using this dishwasher until like 4 months after moving to this apartment. So I was like, girl, you are paying for this in the rent. It is included. Why are you not using it? So one day I decided that I was gonna remove it because I was gonna use it, because I used to tell myself that, oh, the dishwasher doesn't wash your dish properly and all that. But all you need to do is use like the Scotch Brite or whatever you use to hand wash your dishes, and just rub out the dishes and the pots and the cups before you put them in. So as Jamaican people would say, I remove the talking and leave the whispering, and then the dishwasher would definitely take care of it. And of course, once I put all the dishes in the dishwasher, I go ahead and I wash the sink itself. What you saw me spray from that blue bottle, that was just pure bleach. It was just bleach in a spray bottle. I am Jamaican. I eat a lot of curry and I hate to see curry stain on my plate. So that was what influenced me to put the bleach in the spray bottle so I can spray the plates, the curry plate with the bleach to remove the curry. So that's why I have this bleach bottle, and I also use it to wash the sink. So remember I told you guys that I forget to buy the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. So what I had to do was go in with my Lysol disinfectant wipes and improvise, you know. You just have to find a way to make it work. And I tend to beat myself up a lot over stuff, so I am extremely proud of myself that I did went through with this video, because a lot of stuff went wrong, and I am a person that would normally like get frustrated and just, you know, call it a day and like not post a video or not go through with the video. But I'm like, I'm just human, you know. I am just human. I need to start working on that, stop beating myself up, and just pivot, like learn to pivot and just improvise. So right now I am about to remove the polish from the stove, and of course the screw fall out of the thing that I used to like scrape it off. So again, I had to pivot, I had to improvise, and I have to like hold it like at a certain way so I can actually like get it done. But nevertheless, I let it work, and as soon as I was sweeping the floor, I did found it after I already go through hell to use it. After a while, I got fed up and I just removed the razor blade. It's like a razor blade in that red and black thing, so I just removed the razor blade and I started using the razor blade like this. But if you do this, guys, just be careful. So after I get the washing machine going as well as the dishwasher, and I clean the countertops and the stove, I then move on to sweeping. I didn't really do like a thorough cleaning of my bathroom in this video because I tend to keep my bathroom clean, because this is the bathroom that is not attached to the bedroom. Like, it is not, you don't have to go through my bedroom to go into the bathroom. So if I have guests over, they have to use my bathroom, so I always clean my bathroom clean. But the night before, I did record a video, so I have all my equipments and stuff on the countertop as well. I just wanted to go in and clean my mirrors. So after all that cleaning, your girl was tired. So yeah, the last thing I did was light a candle, and this one is from Bath and Body Works. I think it was a gift to me. It's called black cherry merlot, and yeah, it smells really good. I really like it, but you can tell that it's something that a guy would pick up. No shade, but yeah. So I felt for iced coffee, so that's what I made. And if you guys peeped in the while I was cleaning, I got a DoorDash order from Chipotle. So I'm gonna drink my iced coffee, eat my Chipotle, and then I'll take a shower and just wind down and go to bed. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like me to do more videos like this, like a full thorough clean with me, just comment down below and let me know. See y'all in my next video. Bye guys, later.